Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to see whether you can always divide by e to the x. So if we have some function, f of x, and we divide by e to the x, is there any value of e to the x for which this is undefined? Because that's basically what this means. If you can't divide by e to the x, that means that we have an undefined output. This happens when the denominator, what we're dividing by, is 0. And for no power that we raise e to is e to the x 0. It's just a standard exponential function, where if we graph it, it goes approaching 0 as x goes to negative infinity, but it never hits 0. And then it goes off to infinity as x does. But for no value is it actually equal to 0. Therefore, you can always divide by e to the x because it always has some positive value. And you can just divide by whatever positive number that is. Therefore, you can always divide by e to the x. The statement is true.